Welcome to my channel! Hello kids! I'm your teacher Zen. Welcome to science class. Quarter 1, week 4, day 4. Today, we're going to discuss about stretchable objects. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe objects that are stretchable, identify objects that are stretchable, let us have first a short recall about our topic yesterday. What shiny objects did you see on the way to school? Where do you use items and what do you use them for? Where do you use rubber band in your daily life? Have you ever played the game 10-20? Can you explain what objects are used in the game 10-20? And what you do with them? How do you think stretchable objects like rubber bands are used in the game? Answer is hair ties, bundling pens, and tying things. Rubber band. Stretch the rubber band and jump over it while it keeps counting by 10. Get your English-Tagalog dictionary and look up the word stretchable in your dictionaries. If an object does not stretch when we pull it, what would could be used to describe it? Yes, it is stiff. Let's do the activity. Activity number 4. What object become longer when pulled? Materials needed are ruler, rubber band, balloon, popsicle stick. You only have 10 minutes to do the activity. Procedure. Place the ruler that on the table. Position the rubber band directly on the ruler. Use the ruler to measure the length of the rubber band. Write the length in your answer sheet without stretching the rubber band. Gently pinch one end of the rubber band and slowly pull the opposite end without causing it to snap. Using the ruler, check the length of the rubber band during the pull and write it in your answer sheet. Repeat the same process with balloons and with popsicle stick. From the results, classify the object as stretchable or not. Number 6. After all groups have finished, come together as a class to discuss their findings. Encourage students to explain why they classify each object as stretchable or not based on their observations. Here are the table that you need to answer. Object, rubber band, and balloon. Length before the pull, length during the pull, difference in length. Question 1. Which of the 3 items changed in length when pulled? 2. Which of the 3 items did not change in length when pulled? 3. Which items are stretchable and which are not? 4. Which of the items that changed length had a longer stretch? Evaluation. Draw the table in your notebooks and answer. Describe the following objects and encircle the objects that are stretchable and box the objects that are not. This one is box. This one is circle. This one is circle. This one is box. This one is box. This one is box. This one is box. Thank you for listening. See you next time.